Welcome to our YouTube channel, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to see top pharmaceutical companies conducting walk-in interviews. So let us see the complete detail. Let us start with the company Pfizer. Friends, this company is conducting walk-in from 24th to 25th September for the post name operator, senior operator, upstream, downstream and upstream supervisor, visual inspection, packaging supervisor. Friends, the qualification is B.pharm M.pharm Diploma or B.sc with 1 to 6 years of experience. The job location is Visakhapatnam and the interview venue is 24th to 25th September from 9:30 a.m. onwards at the Fern Kesarwal Hotel, Verna Plateau, Cortalin, Goa. So these are the details regarding this walk-in interview. My dear friends, for getting any kind of pharmacy job updates, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also visit our website pharmajobalert.in. So let us move on to the next company, which is Eugia, Aurobindo Pharma. Friends, this company is also conducting walk-in on 24th September for the following qualifications. They are looking for B.sc M.sc B.pharm M.pharm ITI as well as Diploma M.com B.com BA candidates are also eligible. So coming to the department, here you can see they are looking for production vacancies. I mean, they are having vacancies in the following departments, which is production, warehouse, quality assurance, quality control and microbiology department, and minimum 3 years of experience is required, that is 3 years. And coming to the location, which is Visakhapatnam, Eugia Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Ramki. And coming to the walk-in interview details, 24th September from 9:30 a.m. onwards. The venue is Eugia Steriles Private Limited, Ramki Pharma City, Parvada, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. So these are the details. So if you are an experienced candidate and if you want to move to a good city, then this is a nice option for you, my dear friends. And you can also share your CVs to the following mail IDs. And coming to the next company, which is Syngene. Friends, this company is having multiple openings. Here you can see on the brochure in engineering and maintenance department. The qualification and experience, so they are looking for BE or B.tech candidates with minimum 2 years of experience. And the job location is Bangalore. And the date and time of interview 24th September 10 a.m. onwards. The interview venue is Syngene International Limited, gate number 5, Velankan Tech Park, 43 Hosur Road. So friends, coming to the next company, which is Advantmed. Friends, these are freshers job opening and this is also a walk-in drive for medical coders. The number of open positions are 75. So the date and timings. So timings are 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the date of this interview is 25th and 24th September, Saturday and Sunday. So these are the details. So let us see the educational qualifications. So they are looking for B.pharm M.pharm BHMS BHMS BDS B.sc M.sc Biotech or Biochem Microbiology and Life Science candidates. So if you want, this is a work from office job. So here you can see the highlights. These are day shift, 6-day working and spot offer, amazing work culture, sound infrastructure they have mentioned. So the interview venue is Advantmed India LLP, Tower number 1, 5th floor, Info City, near Indroda Circle, Gandhinagar. So interested one can contact the following numbers. They have also mentioned the numbers Sagar and Hiran. So these are the details. So freshers utilize the opportunity. And coming to the next job, which is from SMS Pharmaceuticals. So they are conducting walk-in interview for the leading US FDA approved plant on 24th September. The timings of the interview 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. for the following departments: QC, that is HPLC, wet lab and microbiology, and production and IT. And the core areas: QC, API background, HPLC method validation, computer validation, production, handling of reactors, etc. These are the qualities you need to have. The interview venue is SMS Pharmaceuticals, Unit 2, plot number 24 and 24B, 36 and 37. Bachpalli, Miyapur, Hyderabad. So you need to carry all the relevant documents in order to attend this interview. So these are the details, my dear friends. So let us move on to the next company. Friends, coming to the next company, which is Zydus. This company is currently conducting walk-in interviews on 24th September from 10 a.m. So they are recruiting for active pharmaceutical ingredients research and development facility at Vadodara. So they are looking for senior research associate or associate research scientist, should have a PhD in organic chemistry with 0 to 3 years of relevant experience in handling multi-stage reactions with knowledge of analytical data interpretation. So if you are interested, you can share your CVs to DK Patel at the rate of jiduslife.com. The venue is plot number 265 to 267 opposite Lakshmi Narayana petrol pump, Sarkes Bawla, which is Chan Godar, Ahmedabad. So these are the details, my dear friends. So let us move on to the next session of the job openings, which is from Honor Labs. Friends, this company is conducting walk-in interview on 24th September 9:30 a.m. Saturday for production department. So freshers of 2019 to 2022 passed outs can apply. B.sc or B.com candidates, the designation is trainee chemist. So you need to carry your educational qualification documents, Aadhaar, passport size photos, online interview, no online interview. So this is a face-to-face interview, and you need to attend at the venue VLR Facilitators Private Limited, Holy Child School, beside Dundigal Police Station, Gandimaisamma, Hyderabad. Okay, you can contact the number mentioned there. So if I read anything wrong, please excuse me. Coming to the next job opening, which is from Arazen. So they have open positions for senior research associate and associate scientist, postgraduate M.sc organic or medicinal chemistry, experience 3.6 to 10 years in synthesis, R&D-SRA only. Work location is Hyderabad or Bangalore. The interview location is survey number 125 and 126 IDA Malapur, Hyderabad. So the date is 24th September 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So if you are interested, you can share your CVs to the following mail ID mentioned on the screen. And thank you for watching. Subscribe and support us.